Hello students, today we are going to discuss some important structures of functional groups. Now starting with the alcohol, we will discuss here three functional groups: alcohol, phenol and ether. So starting with alcohol, if we see alcohol, then you can see that this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Why it is sp3 hybridized? Because it has 3 sigma bond, 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and when there is 4 sigma bond, then its hybridization is sp3. Now if we come to this oxygen, see how many sigma bonds are there? 2, 1 and 1, 2, and there are 2 unbonded pair of electron or 2 lone pair of electron, 1, 2, this is unbonded. Unbonded or lone pair of electron is also treated as sigma bond to find the hybridization. So we will treat here 1, 2, 3, 4. So hybridization of this oxygen is sp3. So this oxygen is also sp3 hybridized, as well as this carbon is also sp3 hybridized. So being sp3 hybridized, the structure of this oxygen will be tetrahedral, means these atoms are attached tetrahedrally to oxygen atom. Now if we see the bond length between C and O is 142 picometer, and if we see the bond angle between carbon CO and OH bond, then it is 108.9 degree. But we know that in case of tetrahedral structure, bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, but here lesser than that, 108.9 degree 9 minutes is there. So what is the explanation of this less bond angle? Is that you can see here lone pair of angle. When we say tetrahedral structure of carbon atom, in that case carbon has no lone pair of electrons. So from valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, there is no repulsion between lone pair and bond pair. But in this case you can see 2 lone pair of electrons are present, and these lone pair will mutually repel each other, and we don't know that lone pair repulsion. Actually this lone pair is present like this lone pair is present in this way in tetrahedral structure. So it will repel, and due to this repulsion it will result in decrease in bond angle 108.9 degree. So you can see this OH bond length is 96 picometer and this CO bond length is 146 picometer. Now we come to phenol. When we see phenol, hybridization of this oxygen will be again 100 sp3 hybridization, but here bond angle 109 degree higher than this, and this bond length is also shorter, it is 136 picometer. What is the reason of that? That we know that here lone pair of electron is in conjugation with double bond. The sequence is lone pair, single, double, single, double, single, double, single. So this lone pair being in conjugation with double bond, it will undergo resonance with this benzene ring. When it will go in resonance with this benzene ring, there will be formation of partial double bond between C and O, and due to that partial double bond, the bond length becomes 136 picometer. We all know that single bond length is more than double, and double bond length is more than triple bond length. So due to partial double bond character, its bond length has decreased from 146 picometer to 136 picometer. Now if we see the bond angle, you can see that bond angle is 109 degree and here it is 108.9 degree. This is also because of this delocalization. When this electron will delocalize, the repulsion will decrease. Here these electrons are not delocalized, it is fixed at their tetrahedral position. So obviously if something is fixed, it will repel more, but if it is this electron pair is not fixed, it is undergoing in resonance with benzene ring, then repulsion between these electron pairs will be less, and when repulsion will be less, it will try to acquire the tetrahedral bond angle, even though there will be repulsion as compared to carbon atom, because in carbon atom there is no lone pair, repulsion, but here lone pair repulsion will be there, but lesser as compared to the alcohol, because in alcohol these electron pairs are fixed, localized, and here these electron pairs are undergoing resonance, and due to resonance this repulsion will be lesser compared to this repulsion, and so bond angle slightly increased to 109 degree from 108.9 degree. Now if we come to ether, this carbon is sp3 hybridized, this carbon is also sp3 hybridized, and bond angle is 111.7 degree. Now you can see here the bond angle has increased more than that of tetrahedral. Here also lone pair is there, it is sp3 hybridized. This is because of the repulsion between these alkyl groups. These alkyl groups are bulky groups, and when these bulky groups will come closer to each other, their electron clouds will repel each other, and because of that repulsion this bond angle has increased to 111.7 degree. So this was the structure of alcohol, phenol and ether. Due to this that is involvement of lone pair in resonance, phenol becomes more acidic than alcohol. That will discuss in the acidity of alcohol and phenol part. This was the structure. You remember this structure, draw in your copy and have a look on those structures and all these parameters, bond length and bond angle, and note down all the possible regions for this variation in bond angle and bond length.